Cooking with Shay, and I am here for my Walmart midweek, you guys. I don't know what the heck is going on in Ibottaville, but I don't like this, am I even gonna get a bonus type of situation? Like, the last 2 weekends I didn't get one. So I don't know what's up with Ibotta. Like, it's so unpredictable now, and I hate it. I guess they figure we're gonna do it anyways. We're gonna spend money anyways. But at the same time, it's like, don't they know if they give us a bonus, is that it gives us more of an incentive to spend more? Well, if you're smart like us, we're not really spending more though. Are you guys getting all your midweeks and your weekends? Because I feel like right now, it seems like these last few weeks, I've only gotten one. So either I'm going to get the midweek or I'm going to get the weekend. Like, I haven't been getting both of them. I do still have the larger bonus. For that, I am 52 rebates in. And I need 95 total. And so I still need 43 to knock out the rock and roll bonus. What else? There's not a whole lot to talk about, y'all. Look, the deals ain't dealing. I ain't even gonna lie. Like, honestly, I tried to put together a list this morning, and the list wasn't listing. It's not listed because the deals ain't dealing. And so I don't. But at the same time, I don't have to hit nothing. Like, I can just do what I want to do, and I'm cool with that. So I'm gonna do the deals I think are best for me, that are gonna work for me, and I'm gonna keep it moving. Other than that, what did you guys get? Did you guys, like I said, did you guys get a midweek? Did you guys, because I didn't get one. And I think if anybody's gonna get one, it should be me. Because your girl I be doing a damn thing, I be putting my work in. And I feel like Ibotta's not appreciating me right now. I don't feel very appreciated, Ibotta. I don't feel it. I don't feel love, Ibotta. And I must feel loved, right? But I'm rambling. We're gonna head over to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab. If you want to see what your girl got, you know what to do. Keep on. Oh, did I say subscribe? I didn't say subscribe. Look, listen. If you new here, I know some of y'all is new, right? Listen, if you new, subscribe. Definitely subscribe. Also, make sure you hit the like button. Support your girl. And don't forget to make sure your post notifications are on, as well as your next video. So without further ado, we're gonna head over to Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of awesome deals you can grab. If you want to see what your girl got, you know what to do. Keep on watching.
So the first deal is gonna be on the Ayaso. I have to do this deal again. It's not as great as it was last time, but I think I found another favorite ice cream, and that's one thing I do love about the rebates, is that they give you a chance to try something you never tried before. And so gonna grab this deal again. Last time I grabbed the fudge brownies, which are so good. I already ate a whole box already. Well, not overnight, but I ate a whole box already. So this time I'm gonna try the sea salt caramel. It's priced at $5.23. You want to grab a total of 2 of them. You're gonna end up paying $10.46 out of pocket. You get back $1 for each on Ibotta. There's also $4 on Swagbucks. My points inbox are ta-da. It makes them $2.23 each, which is definitely not bad. What I really want to try is the sandwiches, but this store doesn't carry the sandwich ones, and they don't carry the crunch ones either. Okay, so yeah, I'm not going to be grabbing the Sara Lee ham today because I still have plenty left, but this deal is still good. It's on the Sara Lee ham, priced at $8.47 per pound. You want to grab a pound, and then you're going to get back $6 on Swagbucks, making it only $2.47 for a pound, which is definitely not bad. This next deal is on the Kikkoman. Is that how you pronounce it, y'all? Kikkoman? Soy sauce. It's priced at $2.28. Getting back 75 cents on Ibotta. I gotta check and see if there's brand club surveys. I believe there is, but without the brand club survey, it makes it $1.53. If I have a survey for brand club, it's probably 55 cents, which is still bringing this under $1, which is definitely not bad. All right, so next up is the Herdez avocado hot sauce. I actually really like this one. It's on rollback for $2.48, and then you're getting back what? We're getting back $2.48 on Ibotta. No, we're not, y'all. We're getting back $1 on Ibotta. I wish it was a freebie. And then we got 55 cents back on Brand Club, making this only 93 cents. So I'm definitely gonna pick it up. I feel like everything I need, someone is stocking, like right there. This is on the Ragu Hidden Heroes. It's on rollback for 220. Actually, I'm not sure if it's on rollback. I forget. Anyways, it's priced at 228. I'm getting back $1 on Ibotta, 55 cents on Brand Club, making this 93 cents. All right, just a reminder, the Char, I believe that's how you pronounce it, Char crackers. I believe this offer is still available on Social Nature. It's a free offer, and these are actually really good. Like I really like and I also like the fact that they are individually wrapped. So like literally, like I've been really munching down on those. They don't taste really gluten-free, which I really appreciate. I don't know why, but I do. They're really good. So you'll grab one at 5.48. You can either grab this one or this one. But like I said, I tried these and these are really good. Makes them absolutely free. Now, I'm not sure if the offer on the bread is still there, but if it is, try it. I tried it and it was a complete whole ass no-go for me. I don't know why these look so good to me. I don't know if it's because your girl is freaking starving right now, but these snack cakes look so good. So if Social Nature offers a freebie for those, your girl is definitely gonna try them. And there's only one left, so they probably are hella good. And so yeah. I love trying stuff for free, don't y'all? All right, I don't know why this kind of made me chuckle a little bit. It's mac and not cheese. Mac not cheese? Mac and cheese not cheese? Is it cheese or ain't it cheese? I don't know. I'm confused now. But listen, it's a newer product. It's plant-based. It's priced at $3. Getting back $1 on Ibotta. There's also 45 cents on Brand Club, making it 155, which is, I guess, not a bad price to try it. They also have one for the macaroni. Macaroni, made by the maker of Rice-A-Roni. I guess they said we can make mac and cheese too. Anyways, listen. So it's priced at 108. Getting back 50 cents on Ibotta will make that 58 cents. Now I gotta see if I have Rice-A-Roni surveys on Brand Club. If I do, for 55 cents, it would make that like 3 cents, which is definitely not bad. Next deal is on the Country Crock plant-based butter. It's priced at $3.98. And you're getting back $2 on Ibotta. I also have a Brand Club survey as well for 55 cents, bringing that down to 143. Now you could also grab the sticks as well. I wonder which one has more in it though. That one is what, 14 ounces? And that one is a pound, 16 ounces. So that one would probably be a much better deal. I did not expect to find this, you guys. When I checked online, it didn't show that they had it. It's on the Califia Farms Complete Plant-Based Milk. I saw Sister Saving You Since posted on their Instagram page. It's priced at $5.12, getting back 3 on Ibotta. There's also 2 on Merryfield, which I haven't used in months. And then I'm hoping it'll unlock surveys for Brand Club. But if not, 12 cents is definitely not a bad price. All right, just a reminder that the Glade Warmers is still available. The single is priced at $178. $1 back on Ibotta makes it 78 cents. And the 2 count is $3.48. Getting back 2 on Ibotta makes that $148. And of course, there is Brand Club surveys as well. All right, just a reminder. I know I haven't mentioned the Rockstar rebate on aisles, but that's just because some of y'all was like, look, we tired of hearing it. We don't want to hear it no more. But look, it's still a good deal. So we're going to remind you, if you haven't submitted your receipt, because it is good every other week, which is awesome, right? So for the Rockstar, you're going to grab 2 of them priced at $1.88. You'll pay $3.76. Get back 5 on aisles, making it $8.24 moneymaker. All right, guys. So if you guys saw my last video, this Nivea cream is working for the offer on ShopMium for $2. So you're going to grab 1 at $1.38, get back 2, it makes it a 62-cent moneymaker. Now I did it on ShopMe, went straight through. Alexa went straight through. Inbox Dollars, Tada went straight through. My points and Swagbucks did go into review. I did get credit on my points, but I still have it available, so I'm gonna do it again. And then Swagbucks, it's I'm still waiting for them to get back to me. I'm gonna grab 1 at 138 and I'll get back 340 points on my points, which is 213. It'll make this a 75-cent moneymaker. Right, so I'm over here on the Covergirl aisle. Looks like they're clearancing a lot of the Covergirl out. And so I'm gonna be grabbing the face products. They have This one here is number 570. Deep Golden for $5. So I was hoping to find some priced at $4, but they don't have any left. It's $143. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab this one here, priced at $5. I'll get back $3 on ShopMam and $2 on Ibotta. So it'll make that absolutely free. Of course, if you have brand club surveys, that'll make it a small money maker. And if you have a coupon, since the offer is an exclusive coupon, that'll make it an even better deal. But I don't have the coupon, and my printables don't work. And so yeah. Okay, I'm also gonna grab the pencils here, priced at $4.47. I'm getting back $2 on Ibotta and $3 on ShopMe, and we'll make this a 53 cent. So we're over here on the Crest aisle section. We have 2 offers on Ibotta that are working for $2 each on Crest, but it's only certain ones. And so I know that this one here works for $3.97, so getting back 4 would make that a 3-cent money maker. It also works on the sensitive one right here, making that a money maker. And I believe it works on this one as well. Just make sure you scan it to make sure that it's working. I believe it does work on some of the Crest scopes as well. And there's one offer that does work on this one, so it'd make that 98 cents, which is not necessarily bad. But I'm probably gonna go ahead and grab this one right here. At $3.97, getting back 4 would make that a 3-cent money maker. All right, so we're gonna be grabbing the Suave deal again. I grabbed this in my last video. These shampoos are priced a little cheaper at $1.94, so you want to grab 2 of them. You'll pay $3.88, getting back 75 cents on Ibotta, 75 on Alexa, and 75 on inbox dollars. I do have brand club surveys, one for 45, one for 40 cents, bringing these down to only 39 cents. All right, so next up is the Safeguard hand soap, priced at $3.67 for only 13 cents, getting back 50 cents on Ibotta. There's also 500 kicks on Shopkick, which is $2. And then I do have a brand club survey as well, making this only 62 cents. Right, this is the last deal, you guys. It's on the Durex condoms. They are priced at $6.36, as if you didn't get enough the last time they had this deal. So you're gonna grab one price at $6.36, getting back 3 on ShopMam, 3 on Swagbucks. I also have a 55-cent brand club survey as well, making this a 19-cent money. All right, guys, so I'm here at CVS again doing the toothpaste deal. I had to wait for my store to restock last night, so I'm here first thing Thursday morning to do this deal. So y'all know I really haven't been at CVS all that much lately, so I do have a 4 off of any purchase. CRT that they sent to my email I'm going to use. I also have a Crest 4 off 20 as well. So Crest is $4.99 for select ones. I also buy 2 get back 5, limit of 2. So I'm going to grab 4 of these. 4 is going to come to $19.96. And then I have a 4 off of 20 CRT right there I'm going to use. I have a 3 off of 2, and I have a 1 off of 1 I'm going to use. And then, again, I do have a 4 off of purchase that I'm going to use as well. So let's do the math really quick. Minus 4 off, minus 4 off 20, minus 3 off of 2, and minus 1 off of 1. So we'll pay $7.96 out of pocket. For all 4, we'll get back, where is it at? We'll get back $10 in extra care bucks. And then we also have $2 for each one on Ibotta right here, limit of.
Oh, they changed it. It was a limit of 5. So you're only gonna get back $2. Oh man, they freaking changed it. So, darn it.
I was waiting for my store to restock, so you get back the 10 in extra care bucks. You get back 2 from Ibotta. So to make it a $4.04 money maker, which is still not bad. But if we would have got back the 8, that would have made it a $10 money maker, which is what I was really hoping for. So yeah, it makes all 4 free plus a $4.04 money maker.
All right, guys, so here is our complete haul for today. This worked out pretty good considering I didn't get no weekend. I think in the first clip I said midweek. So I didn't get no weekend. So this is the third weekend I didn't get one, which I think kind of sucks. Ibotta, it really sucks. I thought you was a team player, Ibotta, huh? You're not on my team? You guys, I tried one of these. I low-key taped the box back up, but I tried one of these. They are so good. I think this one I think I might like this one more than the fudge brownie one. But this one's really, really good. So super stoked to get those. Other than that, this worked out pretty good. Like I said, I did go and do the Crest deal at CVS, but by the time I got around to doing it, by the time they restocked on Ibotta, it was only a limited one. But I went ahead and did the deal anyways. I'm pretty sure I've inserted a clip of that, but it made all 4 of those free plus a $4.04 moneymaker. I did do the Rockstar at Dollar Tree. I did it 4 times today at Dollar Tree, once at Walmart. So the total 5 times, 3 of my receipts say, we'll contact you in 24 hours. So I'm just like, really? That's kind of low-key why I've been slowing down on doing Rockstar, because I feel like I'm getting that more often. And then I have to go back and try to figure out which receipts I got that message for and then just resubmit them. And so, yeah, I'm hoping they get it together over there at, Isles headquarters. Please excuse Josiah. He's in the next room, being his little human self. So everything you see here retails $81.10. I had $12 between CRTs and digitals from CVS. It brought the out-of-pocket down to $69.10. Our sales tax for this was $4.80. And then we walk away with $25 from Isles. Ibotta is $5.25. ShopMium is $9. My Points is $6.14. Swagbucks is $4. Brand Club is $3.05. I'm so behind on surveys, y'all. Merryfield is $2.28. Shopkick is $2. Alexa 75 cents. And then $10 in extra care bucks from CVS. So we walk away with a total of $77.47 in rebates and extra care bucks, making everything you see here free plus an $8.37 moneymaker. Now, after tax, it still makes this a $3.57 moneymaker, which is pretty awesome considering we didn't get no weekend. Ibotta, I know y'all be watching, okay, Ibotta? I'll pop up where I am as far as my larger bonus. Josiah, what's our emoji for today? For everybody that's still stuck around? Huh? A balloon. It's a balloon, you guys. You made it to the end. I want to see some balloon emojis. And we will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.